It's a new 2020 BMW X3. With its muscle, dashing good looks, and roomy interior, this luxury crossover fuses everyday utility with an elegant demeanor. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated steering wheel, front and rear parking sensors, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.